back from Studio 2 of the Brooklyn Music Factory. Today I'm here to answer the frequently asked question, what makes a Brooklyn Music Factory lesson so different? There are 3 reasons. Number 1, in every single lesson, band class or private, we play games. It's the foundation of our curriculum. Our teachers are developing and testing games every single week, and we've even built an app on the App Store called Big Music Games that allows families here at BMF and all around the world to play our games. Number 2, we play music with other people. Music is an art form that's best enjoyed and learned in a group setting. And number 3, we write songs. We are all about songwriting because we believe that that creative muscle you have needs to be flexed daily. And songwriting is an amazing way to do that. That's what makes a Brooklyn Music Factory lesson truly unique. Games, playing with others, and writing original songs. Dig it.